Imagine if a single AI prompt could do more than just save you time. What if it could completely shatter your deepest assumptions and rebuild the way you understand success? This isn't about quick answers. It's about fundamentally transforming your mindset, questioning the core of what you believe, and unlocking new creative insights that can change the course of your personal and professional life. In this video, we'll reveal one powerful AI prompt that acts as a catalyst for profound mental transformation. We'll explore why it works so effectively, how it sparks fresh perspectives and critical thinking, share real-world examples of how professionals use it to innovate, and show you how to tailor this prompt to your unique goals. By the end, you might never look at AI or yourself the same way again. At the heart of this discussion is a bold and provocative prompt. Here's a shorter, stronger, and simpler version of your prompt. Break my deepest beliefs about success and help me see it in a new way. This prompt pushes far beyond simple reflection. It demands a total re-examination of your beliefs about what success really means. Most of us carry beliefs about success shaped by culture, family, education, and personal experience, so deeply ingrained that we rarely stop to question them. These ideas have been passed down through generations, reinforced by media, and ingrained in our daily conversations. We often measure success by benchmarks like income, job titles, or material possessions, without stopping to ask if these truly reflect what makes us fulfilled or happy. By asking AI to completely dismantle these assumptions and help reconstruct your perspective, you open a space to move beyond surface-level ideas and fundamentally reshape your definition of success. This prompt acts like a mental wrecking ball and architect combined, tearing down old frameworks while helping you design new ones that align with your authentic values and aspirations. Why is this so powerful? Because it forces cognitive dissonance, the mental discomfort when new ideas completely conflict with your existing worldview. This kind of discomfort is essential for real growth, pushing you to let go of outdated concepts and rebuild a more authentic, flexible mindset. AI serves as an impartial thought partner that questions without judgment, inviting you to explore entirely new perspectives and redefine success on your own terms. Moreover, the prompt balances targeted focus with open-ended freedom. It addresses the deep theme of success, but leaves room for AI to respond with philosophical insight, cultural critique, or psychological exploration tailored to your situation. It's not about facts, but about opening a rich, transformative dialogue. This flexibility allows the conversation to be deeply personal, evolving to reflect your own journey and challenges. This prompt can also be viewed as a gateway to vulnerability and courage. To truly shatter and rebuild your beliefs requires honest self-examination and a willingness to face uncomfortable truths about yourself and the world around you. AI's impartiality creates a safe container for this exploration. No judgment, no shame, just reflection and insight. Moving ahead, let's find out how this special prompt changes your thinking, breaks old patterns, and creates new possibilities for you. Engaging with this prompt launches you on a journey that disrupts habitual thinking at its core. Your beliefs about success, whether tied to wealth, status, happiness, or influence, shape your goals and identity. Often, these beliefs go unquestioned because they feel foundational and unquestionable, like the very air you breathe. By inviting AI to shatter these assumptions and rebuild your understanding, you're forced to reconsider everything. Is success only about external markers? Or does it include personal fulfillment and impact? Can failure be a critical step forward rather than an end? These questions cultivate a growth mindset that prizes learning, resilience, and ongoing transformation over fixed outcomes. This process encourages you to ask deeper questions. What does success look like if I remove societal expectations? How would I define achievement if I focused solely on my personal values? What fears or limitations are embedded in my current beliefs? These inquiries push you beyond superficial goals to examine what matters most to you. This prompt also sharpens metacognition, your awareness of your thinking patterns. Reflecting on AI's radical challenges heightens your understanding of mental habits, biases, and assumptions, essential for emotional intelligence and better decision-making. You become more adaptable, open, and creative. By actively engaging in this dialogue, you strengthen your ability to hold paradoxes and contradictions, to embrace complexity instead of seeking easy answers. This kind of mental flexibility is crucial in today's fast-changing, uncertain world, where rigid thinking can hold you back. Creativity flourishes when you dismantle old mental barriers. By tearing down conventional success stories, you free yourself to explore new ventures, career paths, or life goals you may never have imagined. For example, redefining success from achieving status to making a meaningful impact can open doors to purpose-driven work, social entrepreneurship, or artistic expression that aligns with your passions. Importantly, this prompt's power deepens with repeated use. Each engagement uncovers new layers, making it a continual tool for personal growth and transformation rather than a one-off exercise. As your life circumstances and perspectives evolve, revisiting this prompt helps keep your beliefs fresh and aligned with your current reality. Now, take a look at how professionals use this prompt to innovate and grow. This AI prompt's transformative potential is very much real and practical. Professionals across fields use similar introspective prompts to break free from limiting beliefs and spark innovation. In business, leaders face complex challenges demanding fresh perspectives. Executives ask AI to shatter my deepest assumptions about leadership or rebuild my understanding of company culture to escape old mindsets. This often reveals blind spots, uncovers hidden opportunities, and sparks strategic shifts that keep organizations agile and competitive. For example, a CEO might realize that success is no longer just profit, but sustainability and social impact, driving profound company changes that resonate with today's consumers and employees. Creative professionals, writers, artists, and designers use such prompts to overcome blocks. Challenging beliefs about what's acceptable or marketable opens the door to authentic, experimental work. AI-fueled journaling becomes a powerful way to access deeper inspiration, unlock fresh ideas, and push creative boundaries. Therapists and coaches use AI reflections to help clients dismantle limiting beliefs. Someone struggling with self-worth might prompt AI to break my assumptions about failure and rebuild my confidence, guiding them toward resilience and self-compassion. Decision makers benefit too. When tough choices arise, challenging assumptions widens the scope of options, reduces confirmation bias, and fosters balanced decisions. For instance, a policymaker might rethink traditional metrics of success and consider new frameworks that emphasize community well-being or environmental impact. In every case, this AI prompt acts as a catalyst, accelerating learning, creativity, and adaptability essential in a fast-changing world. It helps individuals and organizations break free from old patterns, innovate boldly, and respond with agility. Coming up next are some tips on how to customize this prompt for your own transformation. The beauty of this prompt is its flexibility. You're not limited to success. You can apply it to any core belief ripe for deep change. Try prompts like, break my deepest assumptions about happiness and rebuild what it means to me, or shatter my core beliefs about leadership and rebuild my vision. Add creative layers by instructing AI to respond in the voice of a philosopher or as a visionary entrepreneur, enriching the dialogue with unique perspectives. Imagine receiving advice framed as a conversation with Socrates or a seasoned CEO. This makes the process more engaging and broadens your thinking. Make it a conversation rather than a one-time prompt. Ask follow-ups like, how can I apply this new understanding? Or what daily habits support this rebuilt mindset? This mirrors coaching and maximizes growth. Incorporate this into regular journaling to keep your thinking fresh and flexible. Over time, you'll become more open, creative, and resilient. You might also experiment by focusing on specific areas of life, such as relationships, career, creativity, or health. For example, shatter my assumptions about what it means to be a good partner, or shatter my beliefs about my creative potential. By customizing the prompt, you ensure that your reflections are relevant and deeply personal, increasing the chances of meaningful transformation. So, are you ready to shatter and rebuild? The power of one AI prompt, break my deepest beliefs about success and help me see it in a new way, lies in its ability to transform your thinking, challenge your core beliefs, and spark new creativity. Professionals across industries Harness it for leadership, creativity, and decision-making. You can customize it to any part of your life, add voices, and deepen conversations. Try this prompt today. See how it unsettles old patterns and opens new possibilities. Ask yourself, what deep assumption are you ready to shatter? How might rebuilding your understanding unlock new potential? Your journey toward radical growth starts with one bold prompt. Are you ready? Share your experience and variations in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI and quantum revolution, hit that like button and subscribe, because the next breakthrough is happening right now.